Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your elevated API token and scopes, and ensure tokens live in environment variables. Once done, measure baseline latency with 1-minute sampling to get average and P95 numbers so you know the problem size. Next, enable debug logging and bump log level temporarily to capture request/response timings. Doing these steps first gives you data to compare after changes, so you can prove improvements rather than guess. Now you dig into the middlework. Isolate whether latency is client-side, network, or API backend by running distributed probes and synthetic requests from multiple regions. Make changes that reduce round trips, batch events, use conditional headers, and avoid unnecessary REST calls. Ensure you respect rate limits. Simultaneously inspect networking metrics like DNS resolution, TLS handshake times, TCP keep-alive, MTU issues, and any proxy or NAT gateway that adds milliseconds. These combined optimizations often yield the largest latency reduction. Finish by deploying changes incrementally and measuring the new baseline against your original P95 and averages. Confirm improvements before rolling out further. If latency spikes persist, prepare a focused support ticket. Include trace logs, exact timestamps, sample request ID, and region metadata so the API team can reproduce. Make sure to add synthetic monitoring and alerts to catch regressions early. One troubleshooting tip: if problems appear only from one
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.